Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I got to ask this question: how do I set up a Google alert for news information? And before I share with you some really cool ways of using Google Alerts, hit that subscribe button because I'll have a whole lot more videos coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. So it's really pretty easy. If you go to google.com and you just, google.com/alerts, it's that easy. No big magic. And in here, now, by the way, you're going to want to be logged in with your Gmail account when you do this. But then, in here you have alerts. Monitor the web for interesting new content. I can type anything I want in here. I can do a search for a dude named Teddy Burris, okay? And I can create that alert. I can do another alert. I can do an alert for Samsung television. Create the alert. Here's all the preview of some of the news that's out there. This is not new. This is the news that's out there, and create that alert. Now, here's what's really cool. Once you create the alert, if you hit the pencil, you can say how often, what sources, what languages, any particular region, how many results do you want, and delivered to your email address. So I can change it from once a day to as it happens to or all the way up to once a month. I can change the source to be automatic, blog, news, web, video, books, etc. Languages, English or any other language. Region, United States or any other country or region. I can how many times I want only the best results or I want all results. And I want to deliver to an RSS feed that I can put on a web page or drop it in my email every day. It's a really great little feature to search the web using Google for specific words. Now I can make my search even more refined. I can say I want to find, peanuts and uppercase and as an operator, which means look for the word peanuts and the word bars. And look, there's actually words with peanuts and bars. Okay, there's all kinds of posts in here that have peanuts and bars in the content. Okay, so I can create that alert, or I can go even further and I can go and alcohol. So this is called refining your search with a Boolean search. Okay, so I can use the uppercase and as an operator. Say I want to find posts with the words peanuts and bars in it. I can put quotes around that. I can put parentheses around that, and I can refine it even further. Or put quotes around this: peanuts and schools. Quote. Don't have to put the quotes. Look at this. Peanuts in schools in Nigeria. This is an article. It's very smaller, but again, Boolean search. Drive your search down to the smallest viable content so you get the best content relevant to what you're wanting to search for. The and operator, uppercase A and D. The or operator, uppercase OR. And again, I can put, parentheses around it and say this or this. And then again, create the alert, edit the alert, and say I want only news. And if I want to, I can go here and say I only want it in a particular region, United States. And then I can update the alert. And then, again, once a day, I'll get an email from Google Alerts with the information that I am searching for. Google Alerts are really useful. On my business account, I have a Google Alert for my business name. I have a Google Alert for my personal name. I have a Google Alert for my address. I have a Google Alert for my phone number and all of my email addresses so I can see where content shows up that I didn't create that is relevant to me. And you see already, Google Alerts already sent me a new alert as of today with information about Samsung TVs that I just recently created. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this is helpful for you.